Salida, good patience.
Attacking ito si Manalili on the defensive end.
Manalili, no look pass to Chan. Manalili splits the D. Oh! Manalili to Estrada. Estrada on the pull-up. Chip boy. Estrada on the pull-up for the Perpetual Altas. Oh, Quahao comes up with a steal. Deo Quahao to Chip boy Estrada.
Hirap daw mag-scout sa Letran given their great set of players, but he keeps on reminding the team that the key to winning it.
Estrada. Quahao. Baseline drive. Deo Quahao with the pin
For them.
Omega hands it off to Estrada.
That's one. The first miss.
Rosillo is running. Oh! Ang layo! Manalili. Santos. Wow, Tapeño. Durendes. Throws it out. Alcantara. So Perpetual has to knock down those kinds of shots because Letran is going to...
On the offensive end, itong Perpetual. I think it's tama si Cojon. It's also a confidence issue for them.
Wow, fakes, fires. Deo! Wow! Estrada, runner. Chip boy. Manalili posting up. Orco. Wow for three. Oh my! Manalili. Wow on the move. Wow is fouled. Kevin Santos turning it over. Quahao pulls up. Deo Quahao. Oh, Casinilio needs to find a friend. Estrada with the interception. Estrada with the finish. Personal fouls. Manalili to Omega. Oh, Omega with a Pinoy step. Estrada. Quahao. Again!
Game, that's three-point shots challenged by Mark. What a pass.
Omega